guys, my name is Aishi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my today's video, I am going to talk about how to hide that pregnant belly even though we are not pregnant. So if you're like me and if you have a little bit of pooch in the tummy area and you want to hide it because the world don't really need to see it, then this video is just for you. Also, I'm not going to mention those stupid things like wearing shapewear because I think everybody obviously knows how that works. So these are just simple do's and don'ts. Stick around till the end, you will not regret it. And if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin with the do's and don'ts and tips and tricks, whatever. Tip number one is regarding stripes. Now everybody owns that striped kind of a t-shirt or striped pattern shirts, and those look really cool. They are casual and they could be perfect for office wear and for a casual look, but working with those stripes are really important if you want to hide that tummy area which is going on around in your waist. So what you want to do is that you should avoid wearing stripes, those vertical stripes. I know those are the most common ones, but when you're trying to hide that tummy area, those vertical stripes just elongate your waistline more and they highlight the waistline more and your pooch area more. So what you can do is that you can wear horizontal stripes, and horizontal stripes go from the top to the bottom, so those work really well. They kind of draw away the attention from your pooch area and waistline area, and that is what you really want. Number two is to wear a waist belt but at the right place. Now when you're wearing a waist belt, you normally wear it on your waist area, the normal waist area, but if you have a little bit of pooch and you want to hide that, then you should use your waist belt wisely. So what you can do is that you can take that waist belt and put it around your waist a little bit higher than your original waistline and a little bit down below your bust area. What it really does is that it makes your waistline look much more tinier. That also gives you a little bit more height if that's what you want, so that is an additional thing for you. Three is again around belts, but that is more of a don't kind of a tip. So when you are using belts, make sure that you are not wearing it on the low waist area. Now it looks so funny and it makes your body look so much more frumpier, and you can see it for yourself. Some people do it, I don't know why. When you are tying your belt around your pooch area, your pooch is just gonna come out more and it's just gonna hang around above that waist belt, and that is not a flattering look for any situation, any day, any event. So make sure you avoid doing that. So starting with tip number 5, I am going to mention about some clothes and some kind of clothes which you can wear which will really help you hide that tummy area. Those kind of tops which you can really wear to hide your tummy area is peplum tops. Now peplum top needs to be the right kind of a peplum top. Now this is how usually a peplum top looks. So you need to make sure that the peplum or the frill effect starts just below your bust area a little bit and not exactly at your waist, because your waist is already a little bit larger and you have that pooch area. So you need to make sure that the peplum starts a little bit higher than your original waistline so that it creates that frill effect, and that frill effect conceals the tummy which you actually want to hide. So with tip number 6, the next clothing material which we are going to talk about are blazers or any kind of a third piece in general. So I know this is not really the weather for wearing like blazers and motor jackets and all those sort of things, but you can easily wear those kimono or lightweight shrugs. Summer is coming if you are going around in the beach area and if you are wearing tube tops or crop tops. So you can use those lightweight shrugs to hide away or conceal that tummy area. And the next type of clothing material is that you want to wear clothes or dresses or shirts or blazers which have some kind of padding or some kind of structure in the shoulder area. So when there is some kind of a structure in the shoulder area, then it makes your shoulder look a little bit more broader. Now of course you don't want to make it look much more broader. I don't really mind it, but if you don't want it, then it's totally fine. But you can make sure that it has some kind of structure, some frilling, some detailing. So what it does is that it draws the attention to the shoulder area more and makes your shoulder look broader, and it really grabs away all the attention, and it kind of helps in taking away the fact that you have a little bit of pooch going around in the bottom. The last tip in this clothing section is going to be regarding the material. Now if you are having a little bit of pooch area, then it doesn't really matter if you're wearing a bodycon dress. Now this is a kind of bodycon dress I'm wearing, and this is again a bodycon dress. Now you can wear bodycon dress, but you need to make sure that the material is really nice. Anytime you're buying clothes, you always need to make sure that the material is really nice, and mostly in case of bodycon dresses, make sure that the fabric or the material is not paper thin, because then it's going to show every bulge and every curve, and that is what we are trying to hide. My second last tip is kind of an obvious tip, so that's why I have kept it like towards the last side, and that is wearing darker colors. This is a no-brainer, but I needed to mention it. And when I'm telling dark colors, it not only means black, but it could be burgundy, it could be those brown tones. Wearing anything just a little bit darker when you're wearing something in pastel or something in a light color, so it can really highlight that tummy area more, because you know it kind of looks colorful and it draws attention towards that area. When you're wearing something dark, may it be black or some maroon burgundy colors, then not only it makes you look slimmer, but it also makes your body look much more lengthier. Again, an additional bonus. My last tip, again a no-brainer, but still I needed to mention it, and that is high-rise anything. So if you are having a small pooch area, do not hesitate to wear a high-waisted bottoms, may it be a high-waisted skirt or a high-waisted pant. You might think that the pooch area may come around. You might be thinking that it will show off your pooch area more, but just as I said, material really matters. If you are wearing a high-waisted denim or a really nice midi skirt which has a nice material to it, then it will hide away your tummy area. It will give more posture and more structure to your body. So it kind of works like a shapewear. Not only it will hide your tummy area, but it will also give your body much more shape and length. So guys, with that I would like to end my video. That was all. I really hope that you enjoyed these 10 do's and don'ts that I have for you guys. I really follow these rules, and if you find this helpful, comment down below which one was really helpful or which one you already know or follow. Any other video suggestions will be highly appreciated, and if this was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel to grow, and I post 2 times a week on Mondays and Fridays. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my social handle will be linked down below. You can follow me from there, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.